Hello Volkswagen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. I am not a big shopper or thrifter or finder of things at the discount stores. But I found this thing years ago and it was old then. So it's got to be even older now. Can you guess what this is? There was a clue. Look at that lettering, Volkswagen. I love it. 1970s, some sort of super disco font. Great graphics, foil printing, 3-color box. Well, 2-color plus foil. Expensive. Printed by Avon. Volkswagen Wild Country Aftershave. Check that out. What a great box. Right? Great graphics. They really took the time with it. That font is amazing. Can you read that? That's upside down. It's just beautiful. Let's see what it says on the bottom here. Avon Products Inc. New York, New York. 10020. Printed in the USA. What a beautiful box. But there's a surprise in this box. Can you guess what it is? What? It's a glass container of Avon Wild Country Aftershave. Look at this thing. It's fantastic. It is so cool. That is glass. This is how you hold it. It doesn't sit on the shelf like this. Does anybody have any old Avon aftershave containers that look like horses or golf clubs or things you'd get for your dad? Well, I found this thing. I couldn't have paid more than $7 for it. It was just in a thrift store. Of course, they didn't know I loved Volkswagens. There's a little seam here. We'll get to that in just a minute. But look at this. Not a chip in it. Beautiful glass. I don't know anything about glass, but there's a seam there. Plus, it's a bottle. It's aftershave. There's a plastic cap that goes on here to make the rest of the car. This thing is just prized possession. Just my prized possession. Avon license plate. What year is that, kids? 66. Can tell by the taillights and the cutouts and the deck lid. Yeah. That's how exciting it is. Oh, look at the hubcaps. Older than 66. These bulge out a little bit. Big hubcaps. Yeah, look at that. And no, I will not be opening it. It is full. Can you hear it? I will not be opening it. It probably smells like skunk and vinegar with mixed dirty socks. Just prized possession. I'm not a big thrifter. I don't go in the stores and I'm not always on the hunt. But I found this thing just randomly. It's just wonderful. That is glass. Somebody reply in the comments below and tell me how they made this glass container for Avon Wild Country Aftershave. Dare me to put it on? It'd probably burn. It actually might do good. Maybe it burns some wrinkles off. Make your hair grow again. I don't know if you can hear it. Wonderful. All right, love you guys. Love the Volkswagens. Bye.